Have you ever wondered what it looks like when the wild colors of jungle come to life on canvas? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Tayyebah and let's dive into the colorful world of fluid art. Today we are going to get our hands dirty, quite literally. We will explore the dirty pour technique where we mix multiple colors before letting them flow onto the canvas, creating unique, uncontrollable but exciting patterns. So let's get into it and watch till the end to see the surprising results. So I have already given the back of the canvas a good spray with water. This little trick tightens the fabric, ensuring a smoother painting surface. Now to keep the things neat, I have carefully taped the bottom edge of the canvas. This step is crucial as it prevents any paint from seeping through and keeps the bottom part of the canvas as clean as possible. But there is more. I have also taped the edges and slightly curled them upwards, which will help me avoid any uncontrollable paint drips. Then I realized that I should have painted the sides of the canvas because I was concerned that my canvas might see through provided the semi-transparent nature of some of my paints. So I removed the tape, painted the sides and retaped the edges once dry. And now we are good to pour our paints. I am using a disposable cup to mix my colors. First color I am using is sap green. Next color is titanium white. Then I'm adding a custom mix color that I made by mixing phthalo blue and azo yellow. Next again titanium white. Next I'm adding deep sea green color that I also mixed by mixing phthalo blue into sap green and a little titanium white. I am repeating the process for greens one more time. Now adding ochre yellow, vermilion, copper, crimson red, golden, light green color, repeating these colors again. And now repeating the green palette that I used before. You might have noticed my main colors are mostly greens with some contrasting shades of yellow and orange in between. And I have added all the colors by pouring from above at a certain distance so that the colors mix well with each other even before coming in contact on the canvas. I will link the paints in the description that I have used. Now let's pour the paints. By the way, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered why dirty pour is called dirty? If you know, let me know in the comments. Now I'm torching my paints to remove air bubbles trapped inside during the mixing process, ensuring that the paint fully covers the canvas. I'm removing the tape and letting flow the excess paint. I'm tilting the canvas till I'm satisfied with the result. This is the zoomed in view. I really like how it turned out. It has very interesting details throughout the painting and beautiful lacing that look like kind of branches of trees. Different shades of green and reddish orange color gives very interesting, intricate and beautiful patterns. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed diving into the creative experiment like this one, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my artistic adventures. Till then, bye.